Yeah, we'll put on some chicken on the grill, yeah.
Wow.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. We have Omar from Jamaica visiting for the first time.
What a theme party.
Yeah. Having a party for Omar tonight.
A little party, like a get together.
Get together.
No party, like a get together, family. Like a family thing.
A lot still.
Mm-hmm.
The whole heap of meat, man. Whole heap of
My
chicken.
virgin got a grill up in New York. Well, Kingston 13. Cookout every year. I sent to Corona now, she's past 3 years in a keep. Kingston 13. That's a Rosestown and Trenchtown. Maxfield, all of them there.
Man just get together and do them thing.
Biggest cookout keep in New York, man. I mean, go help them cook a year time. The man ain't got a grill. He hold 9 boxes of chicken. A 2 or 3 man have lift it up. The cover. The cover alone, a 2 or 3.
Cover.
Alone. One man can't stand up round it. A 3 man have round the grill at all time. That thing heavy.
3 man have a man the grill.
3 man. Listen, come lift up the cover, yeah. A 3 man have lift up the color. That the grill cover. And 9 boxes of chicken the whole one time. They on 4 wheel. Virgin Buxton, Kingston 13 cookout.
There's a van dry in that day.
Yo. When not the man that cookout skip, the amount of people where you say you don't know where food come from, because so much people. I sit near Blackstone play up there. The light thing. I 7 o'clock a man before that lock off.
Yeah.
I carry your mother up there about 2 times too. Down a Rosedale.
Say nice some of that keep.
Yeah man, keep in July man. Down a Rosedale. In a Queens. And them youth they come from Dove Street, and them youth they go up, run up and down together. Buxton. And call him Big Jugs.
Okay, me the Chenton never want that, man.
Eh?
The pork grill never want grease, man.
What? I know pork I go pan this.
Chicken same way.
Chicken I go pan this man. Pork after I be done the chicken man. I put pork on it. Pork can go and catch color here now, you know. Cause hot pork already half cook already. Are you going to fry chicken for you?
I don't know, you know. I'm not sure.
You season them already?
Season everything, season one.
You put paprika on them there?
Brother, the paprika, the light, you know, I'm not kill it with paprika, you know.
Yeah?
Paprika, the light, man.
Light?
You don't have a deep color.
Yeah, that's why you see, there's some red thing, some anato in one box.
I never put nothing else on it, I just see paprika.
Yeah. Anato, give it good color. So you have to show some.
If they put the anato on it and the paprika then, man.
You have to show some, so you have to show some of the flour, which I use for in with them.
Where you get anato?
Yeah? I really make one, but I not to make it.
Not the one them like from
No. Yeah. I mean we like one from Jamaica, but them
Dry
blend it out
powder.
and powder it out. One time we used to go Clarendon for I spend holiday. You have a natto tree, and we have a little thing where they make out of wood near gig.
Yeah. I used to play gig a lot.
You can play it?
Yes, man.
Use the card and wrap it around, yeah?
Yeah.
You know it?
Not a tree you use, Mickey?
Nah, man.
Oh.
We use nut and rub the top.
Yeah.
I'm pretty up the top.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What, guava would make it?
Guava wood.
Yeah, guava would make gig.
Yeah.
Guava wood and
Guava would no more me know down a Clarin and them
Guava
use.
would alone me know
another
make
wood.
it.
Another wood even better.
Better than guava?
I think it may be better than guava.
Yeah.
Well, guava me know down a Clarin now.
What is with the name, man? I forgot.
I don't know which one that.
Yeah.
Guava would alone me know use.
I don't know the.
Another one too from run on the bush and cut it.
Yeah.
It just sleep. I can't remember if guava would better than it.
Well, like guava would then say better one to make gigs, sir. That me see you them down there make all the while. Them going to the bush to make it.
Shock absorber, it's not too tough and it's not too soft.
Yeah.
So it's not easy for split.
That's what the other wood then use.
Yeah, when man play gig war, you know, down there, you know. Man gig hooks, you know.
Gig head, man. 4-inch nail me use make gig, man. So you know, so when I'm dropping on, walk me gig head, man.
I'm going to put some on top of this now. Then go and soak meanwhile. So, now everything out.
Yes, I'm having a out
Yes, man.
while jerking some chicken or something.
Here you go, bro.
Yeah, man, respect.
Yes, man. Here.
Yeah, man, respect. Early morning Guinness stout. Early morning Guinness stout, you know?
Yeah, so Gang is not a drinker like that, a professional drinker. Yeah, Gang are just occasionally drinker. Maybe later on we drink a little thing, you know.
Yeah.
But as you can see now, chicken start catch color.
Brother, welcome.
Cheers, my brother. Thanks a lot, man.
Yeah, man. One love, brother.
Yeah, welcome to the USA.
Yeah.
Ice box, brother.
Welcome to the USA.
Yeah.
Sun a shine and you freeze.
I'm gonna freeze, brother. And sun a shine.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah. And the sun is out.
sun is out, but you freeze. Just like hungry.
Yeah, you can see the color start to catch.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, look at the brown. Yeah.
Yes, man. My habit. That is it.
Babylon tried to fight against it for so long. Now them make a lot of money off it.
Money a fight and still a fight against
Still a
we.
fight against-
Yeah.
Yeah. The poor class of people, you know.
Yes, man.
You know, Babylon I make weed now, you know.
Babylon,
Have to be
man,
licensed, you know.
They tell we say no good for you. How long them I tell me that? I will never believe them still, you know.
Yeah, I know them are harmonize it.
Ah,
Yeah, man. Centralize it for them medication.
yeah.
Yeah.
And them
So it
make
go.
everything out of it, yeah.
And them a make the money, brother.
Yeah, lotion,
You see me?
yeah,
Them a,
perfume,
me don't know how them get
soap,
butter. Me don't know how them get butter.
butter.
Me don't know how them get butter
Make
out of it.
everything out of it. Clothes, everything.
Yes, man.
Medicine.
Right now, I see a clock when I cut a weed and I hit more one step
Yes,
for no.
yes,
Yes,
one
man.
minute.
Yes, man. No joke about that.
So
One day for reach Jamaica, you know?
now understand why they want to fight against
What?
so much.
Yeah.
Because they know it's good for everything.
Heal not the
But
nation.
remember Bob Marley tell you that? Bob Marley said
Heal
it's
not
good
the
for
nation.
everything.
Everything, man.
Everything. I know you never even realized at the time when you say why when really mean. You know the weed good, but when you say everything, you not even realize it. And really everything.
Everything. Literally everything.
Literally everything.
Literal.
Soap, lotion,
Literally
shampoo,
everything. Sweet.
sweet, clothes, tea,
Toothpaste.
toothpaste.
Bathing soap. Bath soap. Yo, man, I said, Jano. Yo. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. She's the best, you know, Marie Juana. Yeah. Yeah, man. She's the best, man.
Yeah, man. So, all the chef.
You know, so that one, yeah, kind of low still, but stuff to go work with. Because you can't adjust this growth, so I forgot just work as is.
What a go on gang.
Yeah.
Chef are forward, you know.
The man is here again.
Yeah, the executive are forward, but
Omar, take over, you know.
still couldn't make it
No.
wait, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Still couldn't make it wait, you know. Yeah, man, the executive are doing him thing, you know.
Take over.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Sometimes you have to just open that.
Yeah.
So, make you get cheer with the fire. This one will open too.
I just turn them there too, you know.
Oh, you turn them out too? Okay.
And take out them here where they in the middle where did I catch too much, you see me? I wish on them here for me then, that.
Yeah.
Screw like climb them when they talk. That's not,
Taste some of the chicken.
no sauce no go pan yet do it.
Yeah, look, yeah, eat the chicken.
Me make the sauce here. Look how piece already here. I'm going to do.
This is my chicken.
I'm going to go make the sauce now.
Even without the sauce, it's good.
Real weird.
Yeah. Chicken a chopper. Pork up on the grill.
Yeah, but wait.
Yeah, pork up on the grill. Look at the last thing. Yeah, jerk pork. Jerk pork. Rasta food.
It's a Rasta food.
Yeah. Rasta food.
That's it for the chicken.
No, some more up on the grill. Lisää se kämmä.
Nice and spicy.
Sounds good. Oh, my. Mic it there.
No, it's on.
Oh, it's on. Oh. Yes, them are empty now. Them they empty. So I just scrape him off as him hot. Instead of winter, you make it cold, I scrape him off. Yes, sir, the real meat.
Pork.
Yeah, the real meat. Right down this side time too. Eh?
See, I love the joke.
My food. See when it's hot, when it's hot, it's easy to get off them things. You know, when they're cleaning, you know, easy to clean. Yes, I don't see me now till when them cool down now, I clean them out later on. Yes, sir. So I get my food ready now. And these are the first thing gonna be finished. Yeah. So we come to the end of this and now the jerking, you know. We jerk the chicken, jerk the pork. The pork was the last one to jerk, you know. We like jerk the chicken first before kind of everybody eat the pork. Everybody eat. Some people like chicken, some don't like pork. Sauce it up, you know. So we come to the end of that, you know. So we leave you with that for right now until we post the next video. So enjoy this video. Tell me what your view and let me know. And remember to subscribe and comment. Alright? Blessed.